Well, my friends, this is a acute case. This is an acute case. The patient is having cough. Cough aggravates at night and on lying down. The patient is thirstless, profuse expectoration. The expectoration is a little bit sticky in nature. The patient cannot lie down by any means. All along, he is in sitting up position due to relief of cough. What will be the prescription? Pulsatilla. You? Why not hyoscyamus? ল্যাসিবেজ মেনে থাকতে হবে কাশিতে। Lying down cough aggravates in many medicines. Hyoscyamus, conium, drosera, creosote, reumex, sanguinaria canadensis, etc. But the patient is thirstless, and on asking, I have found that the patient is mild in temper. The temperament is mild, and one peculiar symptom of pulsatilla is sometimes involuntary urination during coughing. Pulsatilla nectar mure and squilla. কাশতে কাশতে মাঝে মাঝে একটু প্রস্রাব বেরিয়ে যাওয়ার মতন লক্ষণ দেখা দিচ্ছে। So involuntary urination during coughing, there is totally thirstless and the tongue is dry. জিভ দেখান। The tongue is totally dry. So pulsatilla is the choice of remedy. No question of cough. And শুলেই বাড়ছে বলে আমাকে hyoscyamus দিতে হবে, অনেকে যে ভুল করে তা নয়, because we should look after the patient in general. The tongue is dry, the patient is thirstless, there is involuntary urination during coughing, and cough aggravates at night, and especially before midnight, and in evening aggravation and before midnight aggravation, phosphorus and pulsatilla are two important medicine, my friends. So pulsatilla is the choice of medicine.